this is Aya Limbo, the co-founder of The Printerie, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're transforming a new wall, but not just for humans, but for our furry friends. We're transforming Bubbly Paws, Salon and Hotel. So check out the wall we did for them. How adorable was that? I can't wait to visit them and bring my 4 Pomeranians. So if you want to visit them, they're called Bubbly Paws, Pet Salon and Hotel. They're from Bulacan. So come visit and get your pets groomed there as well. See you soon for our next video. Thanks for watching. For more information and latest news, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok pages at theprinterie.shop. And stay tuned for our next wallpaper transformation.